Hello, welcome guys. Into today's video I will be showing you how I was able to successfully replace this fix this lithium ion battery. It's having a charging issue. You can see it showed 11.6 volts, so this is the charging port. So I had to use my customized charger to confirm if it's charging again. You can see it is connected. Then I turn on my what's it called battery, and I noticed that it's not charging still. So after observing that, what I did was to open up the battery, the lithium ion battery, and to check what the issue is exactly. Then after opening it up, I was able to check for something. So I checked if the wires, the cables are connected well, and after then I cross-check and also open up the battery cover. That's the inner cover, which is this wrap on the body, to be sure that there is no other issue again. So you can see the battery is neatly arranged. To learn how to make something like this, check my YouTube video, my YouTube channel for videos like this. So after then I replaced the BMS with a new one. After that I replaced, you can see the old one, I had to replace it with the new one that is currently on it. And beside the BMS is an active balancer, you can see it. So after then it's working well, so I had to now test it, and you can notice something in the battery voltage. You see 12 volts. Initially it was 11.6 volts, but now you can see 12 volts. So it has charged up to 12 volts. When it's fully charged it will be 12.6.